practice at that page, manual search, auto customization, and result based search. Hello team. Everyone did practice, and if you have any doubts, let me know. Then we can sit for the doubts for first 20 to 30 minutes. Then we will go to the next session. If everyone is having, no one is having any doubt, then we will start. Hello. Hello. Bharat.
No doubt, sir.
Huh? You practiced it yesterday class? Hello.
Such a practice remains, sir.
And all of these guys, Hemant, Pravalika, Sandeep, Siva, Sneha, Priya. Okay, if you don't have any doubts, okay, then we will start, we will continue.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, I have some doubt, but end of the class I'll know, sir.
Okay. Okay then. All right.
Yes, sir.
See, now I am sharing my screen. Okay, you are able to see my screen? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. See, yesterday we did manual search. I will give brief about the manual search again. Okay. See, first of all, manual search, we need the, according to our MVC architecture, we need one AM, one Vivo, and the page we need, and we need to develop the page. Then after that, we need to have a controller. Okay. In the controller, what we need to do is, see, here we are having one department number, that value whatever you are entering, that value when you will click on go button, we need to bring that value, and we need to pass this value to this table. For that one, what we are doing, see, it should be happened in the process form request, because you are doing an action by clicking on the button. Okay, go button. See, when you will click on go button, the property of go button is ID of the button is item 5. Item 5 not equals to null we are bringing, then it's enter into the if condition. Then we are getting the value whatever you entered on the above the button, department number we will fetch. Then we are initializing our AM, and we are attaching that AM, we are getting that AM attached to the, we are getting the Vivo which are attached to the AM, and we are passing the condition set where class department number, and we are doing execution. When you will run this one, data is getting when you will click on the button. Okay. Now what I am doing is I want to know the what is the count of the table after execution. Okay, and what is the query it is printing. Okay, how we can do is system.out.println. Okay, in this one, count. If you want count means, see, there is a one standard function vivo dot get count. What is our vivo? We need to give for concatenation plus symbol vivo dot get row count. See, row count. If this one count will come. Okay, how many rows you fetch? Then, okay, then after that, and you need to know the Vivo. Okay, let's see the Vivo. Vivo not query. How we can see the query? Query colon space Vivo dot get query. Just give the Q and control plus space. Then it will show plus enter. Okay. Now I am running the page, and let's see how the log file will generate. See, here nothing is there now. When you will go to the log, it's just enter into the process request. Okay, it's just enter into the process request. Now I am clearing this log. Okay, now go here page. I am giving the value of 10. Okay, 10. Then after that, see, nothing is there. When you will click on go button, see, now it will start. And I will click on the go button. See, 2 rows you got. See what I did here. First is entered into the process form request. This one is printed. Then after that, entered in if condition is printed. Then department you entered is 10. We got the 10 and the count you need to know for debugging purpose. See, in the future, if you are trying to execute like this, and if you want to know the count, and if you want to know the query, from this we can know. See, count is came. See, and on the query also it is bringing whatever it is, whatever you prepared with the Vivo and where class, and you did execution. Once it done, this is the query is executed. Okay, you have to copy this one and you can run it in the SQL developer. See, come here. See, same data we are getting. See, okay. Like this, you can do the debug in the real time. Okay. And next, we are having one more button. See, one more thing also we can do without clicking the button only. When you will enter something, for example, if you will enter here 20 and tab out, means once you did the tab button, click on the tab button. No need to click on the button, go button. Directly we can show this one also. See, now no log is going to print. For this also we can do by creating the fire partial action. Okay. See, now what I am doing is, see, now I given 20. If I will click on go button, I am getting the some data like 4 records or 5 records. See, if we will go to the log again, here it is changed and 20 is came, count is 5 is came, and before, see here department number 10 is there. Now it's changed to department number 20. Okay, and I want to show you when you will do the tab out only, we need to bring the data. Okay, how we can bring in the search page, go to here, this one message text input, there is an option here in the down, there is an option called action type. You need to give it as fire partial action. Okay, and give one ID here. ID is department number fire partial action. Okay, I am taking this one. See, in the same button only, same code only, I am returning here. Concatenation with one second for this 1 minute. I'm getting. See how we can return this one is get parameter of event param will be there. Page context dot get parameter of event param but equals to of this one. See, if you are doing any fire action or fire partial action, okay, if you are creating for any item, okay, this is the code you need to return to get that fire action. To get the fire action, this ID you kept it here, event name. Okay, this event name dot equals to of page context dot see for button what you did, page context dot get parameter of item find not equals to null you kept it. Second. Okay. Fire event dot see page context dot get parameter of event param dot equals to of department number FBA. Okay. See for button we just kept it the page context dot get parameter of item 5 means the button ID. Okay, we given for button it will take automatically like this. Okay, for any event if you created any event here your custom event you need to fetch with the event param. Okay, page context dot get parameter of event param dot equals to if for this ID. See whatever you specified this ID means what it will do, page context dot get parameter of event param, it will fetch all the events, custom events, whatever fire action and fire partial action you created, no, that all IDs it will bring. Okay, and you are specifying equals to this one. When you are going to tab out, this will bring. At the time it will enter here. Okay. Now what I am doing, now I am running the page. See, without clicking go button only, we can see the page. Okay. See, now I am keeping here 20. Now I am not going to do any go button, just a tab button. When I will click on the tab button, it is see event now, event itself now it's firing. Okay, click on go. See now data key. I am not clicked on the go button now. Once you click on this one, it will come. Okay, understood now? Anyone is having any doubt here in the fire partial action? How we can create the fire partial action? How button will execute and how fire partial action code will execute. Okay. Hello. Everyone is following or any doubt? Anyone is having any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Then now this is done. Then we need to see the clear button. What is the clear button? See, once you click the clear button, it should be clear the data of this table and it should remove this one. Okay. For that one, there is an option called forward to current page. See, for any code, if you want everything, you can get it from the okay, from Google. Okay. See, this is the one. See, go here, come to here. See what is your button? Clear button. Clear button is item 6. Okay. Now come here. For clear button, it should written in the process form request because it's an action. Okay. If page context dot get parameter of item 6 not equals to null. Okay, where it should go. Then here paste this one. What this one is doing is when forward immediate to current page, it is going to the current page here in the top. It will go to the again process form request. Okay, and what you are doing is, and you are doing the here there is a one parameter called return am is equals to null we kept it. Return am is equals to false. Okay. Okay, what this will do is return am false means whatever the values are there, it will refresh that one. Okay, now let's see. how it will work. Our intention is when you will click on the clear button, it should be removed the data, whatever you entered there. Department number 20, 10, 30, whatever you entered, it should be removed. See here, now I am giving the 10. I am going to click go. Okay, now data came. Now what I did, what I am thinking is, okay, it's wrong data. Okay, I need to clear this one. Once you will click this one clear, see. See now here 10 is gone and here also this data is gone. Now what I am doing is, if I will keep, see what is happening. See, once you will click on clear button, again it's going to the, from process request, again it's going to process form request, it is going to the process request. Above one, it is going here, and here we mentioned return am is equals to false. False means it will do the clear catchy, means it will remove the values whatever it is there in the page, it will remove. It will give initial events. Once you loaded the page, what are the data are there, it will give like, if I will keep true, let's see, if I will keep the true, okay, what will happen? It will not remove the data, whatever you entered and whatever you fetched, it will be same, whatever you search. Okay, let's see, I will show you. See, now I am entering 20, for example, 20, click on go. See, now up to here query it's came. See in the log, can see up to the query. Now once you click this one, it will print this one. Enter in process form. It will not go into item 6 or fire parcel action of the department number. What will happen? It will go directly here, and then it will search for the item 6 when you click on the cancel button. It is saying that forward immediate to the current page, means our page only, current page, whatever we are having. It will go to here in the process request and it will print the entered in process request. Let's see now. Now I am going to click on clear. Okay. See, no data is removed, but if you will go here, you can see that it's entered in the process request also. If you will keep false, it will remove. Okay. If you will keep true, it will bring all the data, whatever it is there like that. Okay. This is the feature provided by the Oracle, and it's one URL to move from, to move the, when once you are doing any action, if you want to move to our process request means, then we need to call this one. Forward immediate to the current page. It will go again to our process request, same page process request. If you want to handle anything, you can do it there. Okay. Now again I am running this one. Let's see. Now I kept it the false. Now you are able to remove the all the data whatever we entered. Okay, now I am entering department number 30. Click on go. Once you click on go, let's see here data came. Okay. And once you click on, see, I am going to click on cancel button. Let's see, click on cancel button. Then it went to process request. See here, now it's went to process request. Before also it went to process request, but data is still, it is there in the page. But now data is removed from here and the table. How? Because of we kept it the false. Means it will remove this one. Okay. Then now see, let's come how we can do this one. Not only with the forward URL. Now I am commenting this forward URL. Now what I am doing now, I am doing manually to set these things. How we can set? We can get the message text input being this one. Okay, then table dot get value, not get value, set value. We need to set, once you click on clear button, we need to set the value to null. I am setting the value to space. Okay. Then after that, we need to clear the VO also. Now initialize your VO AM and attach this VO. Okay. Once VO is done, instead of executing VO dot clear cache. You can do VO dot. Okay. Now it's done. Now let's see this one. Now this time it will not go to the process request because we commented the forward immediate to the current page. Okay. Okay. Now I am giving here 20. Click on go. Okay. Now you got the data. See, now what I am doing, I am removing this clear log, going to clear the log. Now, once I will click on cancel but clear button, it should not go to the PR because we commented the forward URL and we are doing manually. And what it is doing, we are doing 1 second modified comma. Second. Okay. See here I kept it the wrong. Set value I need to keep. I kept it the val again. Okay. Value of no. Now let's run the page. See, if you learn OF very well, then it will be very good weightage to your resume. Okay, nowadays, if you know only RISE components, it's useless. If you know OF only, they are going to hire. Okay. Then click on 10 about. Okay, now you got the data. Now I am trying to show you how we can do without help of page context start forward immediate to current page. Okay, without that help, how we can do it manually. We can do one by one. Once you click on clear, continue. See, now this one is gone. 20 we set it to null and vivo dot uh, am vivo dot clear catch, it should work. Yeah, I am giving here at the what. Okay, then clear It's not removing. Okay. One more thing we can do it. Instead of vivo.reset, okay, what we can do? We can pass the null value. See? And we can execute this one by passing null value. Then definitely it will give. Okay, here you can pass the null value. Go. And when you will do the clear, see now two data was gone without handling the page context dot forward immediate to current page. Instead of this one, manually we are doing. I am setting the value to null there, and I am passing this null value to the department number. When you will execute at the time, zero records will come. Okay, we can achieve like this also, or it's better go with the already standard one. Given this one, you can go with like this. Okay, for forward immediate to the current page and make it as false. This one return am is equals to false. This one at the time it will what it will do, it will in the when it will enter into the PR and it will remove all the things. Okay, it will take care. If you are not going with this URL, this function, then you need to do it manually. We need to set the value first to null, then null value you need to pass to department, and we need to do. Okay, now in this session, what we can see now, next topic is like LOV, how we can create the LOV and how we can create the dependent LOV. Okay, in the search page itself, we will see. Okay, for example, now I am having only one item. Now I am taking one more item called department number. See, LOV, I need to see from first of all, I will show you here like this. Select star from department. This is a parent table. Okay, there is no department table here. No problem. See how many are there here? EMP table. What I can do one query is first table is distinct department number. Once you will click on this one, see you are able to see only 10, 20 and 30. Okay. And I will take any one value and I will pass to this one. Select by number from EMP where department number is equals to, if I will pass the department number 10, then it should give only two employees. See, first LOV, our LOV is the department column. Second is employee columns. Whatever you are selecting these employees, departments 10 or 20 or 30, that should pass to here second LOV and it should show the only that employees. Okay. See, come now. First of all, for that one, we need to create one. It got hang. 1 minute, it's got hang. See now. See, it's got hanged out. Again, I closed the JDeveloper and I am opening again. Okay. So then come to manual search here. I want to show you how to create LOV and how to create this one. Okay. First of all, select here and right click new. See, I need to take the message LOV input. Okay. Then I click on message LOV input. Here, this is the department number I need to select here. Okay, this is the department number. Okay, what I am doing here. The table using see in the region level, once you selected the message LOV input and the item style text will be the message LOV input. And I given the prompt as department number. Now come to below one, there will be region and mappings will be there. How we can do is I will show you. Then see now here new region using wizard. Okay, what is our first query? Okay. We need to select we need to create two vivos. Okay. One is independent vivo and another one is the dependent vivo. Okay. First one is this one. Okay. Now go here in the server. In the server only we need to create now and we need to attach to our hello world AM. Okay. Right click new vivo object. Okay, you know how to create vivo and how to attach this vivo to the AM. Okay. Okay, independent vivo. Okay. Next, click on next. Here you need to give our query. Okay, test the query. Remove the semicolon. Test it again. Query is valid. Then furtherly click on next, and finish. Okay. Once you did this one, then vivo is created. What is that vivo? Independent vivo. Go then create one more vivo called dependent vivo also. New vivo object. Next. Vivo. Okay, click on next. And here, what is our dependent vivo below one to fetch the employee details? Okay. What is this one? We need to take here the employee number, comma, department number. Okay. Now go here, paste this query, click on test connection, validated. This is then next, and finish. Okay. Now this is done. Two vivos are created. One is independent and another one is dependent. Then go to next step is we need to attach this to our AM. Okay. Then go here, independent vivo, first one, attach this one. Then go here, dependent vivo, attach to the AM. Okay. Once it is done, click on apply button and okay. Okay. Now go to our page, manual search page. Here we are creating the dependent one. See, reason 5. Okay. This is the one item I created for, see, for example, department number. This is independent. ID. Okay. Now in this one reason I am taking reason using wizard. See here. New table using wizard. In the table using wizard, click on next. What is our AM? Hello world AM. See, we taken manual search here. Cancel 1 second. What is our AM for this page? Let's see. What is our AM? And we will keep the cursor here. We can see. See, our is manual search AM, but I attached it to the hello world. It's not correct. I think I need to attach to our manual search AM also. See, go here. What is two Vivos? One is dependent Vivo and another one is the independent Vivo. We need to attach these two because to fetch the Vivos here, if you attach to another AM, it will not come. Okay. Now come here, my search page. In this one, here, reason 5, right click new table using wizard. Once you click on that one, it will pop up one window. It is asking to select the AM. What is our AM? Manual search AM. And we are having which one? This is independent Vivo. No? Click on this one. Next. And it's an table only. Table. Then what is our A? Is department number. Okay. Click next. Next. Finish. Okay. If you will see now, table will come under the reason. And in that table, we are having one column called department number. Okay. See, this one is going to hang. Okay. See, now LOV mapping 1 came. See here, LOV reason item. What is our reason item? Here under the reason, we are created one table that is department number, LOV reason item. And return item. What is your return item? Return item where it should return independent ID. Go here, it will show IDs. You need to select the independent ID. Okay. Then after that, criteria item. Criteria item also select it as independent item. What it will do means LOV reason item, whatever you are entering there, department number, that value it will bring and it will show in the LOV. Okay. In the table level, whatever you selected, that value will come and show in the page level. Okay. Now I am running the page. Let's see. Here search allowed also true we need to keep. Let's see now one by one. See, now I am having one more option called department number. Once I will click on this one pop-up will come. See, it is showing that at least one rendered LOV need to have search allowed. See, last time what I said, search allowed to be do. Okay, go here in the item and here search allowed true. We need to keep it. Now run the page. This error will go now. The whatever the error you are fetching, this error will go now. Okay. Now close this one. Close this page also. Again run the page. Manual search page. See, now I'm going to click the department number. Okay, once you click this one, see, now error is gone. Search allowed is true when we kept the search allowed true. See, once I will click on go button here, then I am able to see all the departments. See in the query also. First query is what is having here? It is having 30, 20, 10. Okay, same thing you got or not? 30, 20, 10. See, and also once you go here, what is the LOV mapping you did? You are selecting the department number. Okay, go here in the table level region. You have to select the criteria item. This one, sorry. This one LOV region item you need to select as department number, which column you need to select. Okay, here I am selecting the department number 10. What it is doing is, according to our item, return item should return the value to the independent department number. Now value 30, how it came? You selected there in the table reference. Then how it came here? Because of here. See, you did mapping with the result return item where this department 30 should be returned to the independent ID. Independent ID is your message LOV input, that is department name. Due to this one is done. Now our independent is done. Now what we need to do, we need to create the dependent one. Once you pass this 30, see here, if you will pass here 30, it should bring all these employees. Now see. Now I am creating one more item here as a message LOV input new. Click on the message component, new item. You need to select as message LOV. Input. Okay. Now you selected. This one is the dependent ID. ID. This one is the employee number. See, then once you click on the region using wizard, table using wizard, then on the AM, you need to select what is our dependent Vivo you need to select. Once you click on the dependent Vivo table, next, sorry, you need to pull all these columns to right side. Then after that, next, finish. Okay. Now you are able to see your table in this one. Okay. And your table is, what is your table? See here employee number. If you will not keep, once you click on the employee number, search aloud should be true. If you will not did this one, when the pop-up is open for selecting employee number, it will throw the error saying that anyone search allowed to be true. Okay. Here search allowed true, we need to keep it. Okay. Then after that, LOV mapping. What we need to do? LOV region item. What is our LOV region item? We need to select as employee number. Employee number. This employee number is a return to the dependent ID. Okay, not an independent ID. It's a dependent. It should return on the dependent. No criteria also dependent ID. Okay, now this is done. Now I am turning the page. Let's see. Okay, now you are able to see two. One is department number and one is employee number. Now what I am doing, I am going here and select go button. See, now I selected the department number 30. Okay. Once I selected the department number 30, 30 value came here. Then after that, once I will select the department employee number, it should show how many records here when I will once I click on the go button. See here it's showing the department number 10 as well. Means this is wrong. 20 also it should show only 30. See, for what is our intention? Okay, here whatever you are selecting from the independent 30 to dependent query, it should pass the value to the here, and it should show only the 5 records. But here it's showing how many records? All the records. See, it is showing the 12 records. It's showing 20, 10, 20, 30, 20, 10, everything. But it's wrong. Okay. What we need to do? We need to create one LOV mapping. Okay. I will show you. Go here. In the first one, independent one, you need to create here. See, for this one, first of all, you need to create two form values. Okay. To store the values. Okay. Create one form value first. It's very slow. It's going to close this one. Maybe because of this, it's hanging. See, one second. I will close this one and open it again because it is getting stuck. Okay, click on close. Now the manual search. See, now I need to create two form values. One is new, one is total level. Okay, or otherwise in this header region level, you can create new. It's getting okay. Next, okay, right click here. That. New item I am taking here. That item is form value. Okay. To store the value, first from the independent Vivo, we need to store that para value to the, as a parameter here as a form value. I am taken here form value. Okay. Item 7. Item 7 is our form value. Okay. Or otherwise, I will keep what? Department number form value. Okay. Okay. Now this is done. Now go to here in the second one. First one, independent ID. New create. Okay. Sorry. In the mapping we need to do. Sorry. New LOV mapping. One more LOV mapping I taken. Here reason item is department number. Return item. What is the return item? It should be department number form value. The department number, whatever you are selected 10 or 20 or 30, that will store in the department FV. Okay. Now come here and create in the dependent one also create one LOV. Now see, now LOV map one. In this one, here what you need to select here as an department number and criteria item. See the value which you return, that value we need to pass, means pass any to the Vivo, then criteria should be selected. What is that one? Already you are storing 10 or 20 or 30 in the department form value FE. Okay, give here this one, then run the page. Let's see. See, now department number, click on go. What is your department number now is, where is now 10 I am selecting. Okay. Okay. This, when I will click on employee number, click on go. Only 2 records are getting now. Now this dependent LOV is done. See, now what I am doing is, now I am changing the above one as department 30. Okay, 30 I am doing. Okay. Once you will click on continue. Okay, then I am going here in the employee number. Click on go. See, now 5 records came. See, when you will go here also, for 30, how many are there employees? 5 are there. See, rows, see here rows, 5 of 5. Means 5 records are there here. 76987499, 76987499, 7521. Same employees, 7521, 7654, and 7654 and 7844. Yes, see, this is the dependent LOV. Then you can select according to this employee. See, based on organization. See, for example, if you are selected in any one organization, HR has to do. See, in which department you comes under IT department or non-IT department. If he selected the department as an IT, your name should come. If he selected non-IT, if it's come your name, means then it's wrong. Okay, this is the useful for the dependent LOV. Okay, like this we can use. See, if anyone is having any doubt, okay, let me know. Today's session is up to here. Tomorrow we will see what is message choice and how we can do all the things. Okay, and Pravalika, you are saying that you are having some doubts.
Everyone waiting room, sir. Please accept that.
Yes, added that one. But
Yeah.
today's session is come. Let's see. These people, what they are doing, they are joining now. That's the
No,
problem.
sir, in middle of the session is showing error. That's why everyone exited.
Which error it is showing?
Showing that not like
Okay, no
please.
problem. Even Bharat Reddy is recorded the session. You can take the video from them and you can try. Tomorrow session, we will see if any issues. Okay. See here, when once I log into RDC remote desktop, I am not able to see. If any issue is happening like that, please let me know in middle. Then I can add. I can admit all the students, whatever who are in the queue, then I can admit them.
Now some of the people is waiting room, sir.
That's the reason,
Yeah,
Pravalika.
okay.
If you know, If you point out that one, then let me know in middle of the class. Then I will admit them, all them. We'll
Yeah.
ask them to admit. Then no problem at the time. If no one is saying anything, means I am concentrating on the class and I am going continuously. Then that is the issue. That's why I'm saying to you guys only to check if anyone is on the queue, then let me know. Okay. And you said you have some doubt for the last class. What is that doubt? Hello.
Yeah.
In the today's session, at starting, someone said that I have some doubts like that.
Pravalika, sir.
Okay, Pravalika can
Hello.
yes tell me your doubts,
Hello.
Pravalika. Yes, Pravalika.
Yes,
Your voice is not proper, Pravalika. Some disturbance is coming. Hello. 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 See, I think no one is able to hear your voice, Pravalika. I am not able to hear properly. See, your voice is breaking.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Created the calculator page
Okay.
for the Java classes developed, but some error is coming, sir.
Can you show me that one? Share your screen. I'm
Actually,
stopping.
I can't share because due to some signal problem, I came out as the
Okay.
voice is inaudible. So,
Okay.
enter value X came, Y is came. I can able to enter the input, but
Okay.
when I submit, then the result is not coming, sir.
See, without seeing, you are not able to set the value, whatever you entered, and whatever the calculation you did, you are able to set that value to that result item also. Maybe you are not did properly that one. That's the reason.
Okay.
Okay, if you
The
share the
same.
screen, then I can show, I can explain you what you did the mistake.
Okay, sir.
Bring the laptop also outside where you are getting the signal. Just share your screen.
Um, and another error I came like that Java error main method is not yet started.
Just show me that one, what exactly you are having. Then I can, on fly, we cannot do anything. We need to see the error exactly. What you written the code and what is the error you are getting. Based on that, I can explain you how to do.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, is it
See, your voice is breaking, Ravalika. I'm not able to hear your voice. And
Hello.
Yes, Pravalika. I'm not able to hear your voice properly. Share your screen.
Is it audible?
Share your. I think I need to make you as a host.
No, sir. Because today as a phone only.
Okay, see, now I made you as an host. Now share the screen. Hello, Pravalika. Hello. 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 Hello, Bharat.
Yes, sir.
Maybe she is not in the meeting. She exited, I think.
Sir, I think.
Maybe she is having some network issue. Okay, no problem. Okay, that's all about today class. Practice this dependent LOV and I shown you how the log we can print for the manual search pages and how to do the clear button and go button and event, all these things. Okay, practice this with the help of video and develop this one dependent LOV also. It will be very useful in once you are working. Okay. Okay, let's see if you have any doubts tomorrow we will see. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay then.